Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel, where we simplify business, finance, global trends, and investment insights. Hello everyone. Welcome to this enlightening journey where we unravel a transformative narrative that could shape the future of global trade. India's rise as the frontrunner in the China+1 strategy. In this story, we'll explore how India is positioning itself as a viable alternative to China in the global supply chain. This isn't just about economics. It's about resilience, innovation, and seizing opportunities amidst challenges. Let's begin by understanding the backdrop of this shift, the intricate trade relationship between the U.S. and China. In 2023, the trade between these two giants amounted to a staggering $575 billion. Out of this, $427.23 billion were imports from China, ranging from electronics to machinery, while U.S. exports, including agricultural products and semiconductors, stood at $147.81 billion. While impressive, this heavy reliance exposed vulnerabilities, especially during geopolitical tensions and trade wars. Remember the trade war initiated during the Trump administration? It imposed tariffs on $370 billion worth of Chinese goods, prompting U.S. companies to rethink their dependency. Enter the China+1 strategy, a move by companies to diversify their manufacturing bases to other countries. Among potential destinations, India is rapidly emerging as a favorite. But why India? What makes this vast, diverse nation a compelling choice? Let's dive in. India's infrastructure revolution. India is undergoing a massive transformation to make its supply chains globally competitive. Imagine freight corridors stretching across thousands of kilometers, reducing transit time and cutting costs. Two major projects, the Eastern and Western dedicated freight corridors, are set to revolutionize goods transport, slashing costs by up to 50%. Take the PM Gati Shakti Master Plan, a visionary initiative aimed at integrating roads, railways, ports, and airports into a seamless logistics network. Or consider the Sagarmala project, which is modernizing ports and promoting coastal shipping. Did you know that India's logistics costs are currently 14% of its GDP, compared to 8 to 10% in developed nations? These initiatives aim to bridge that gap, making Indian goods more competitive on the global stage. And the innovation doesn't stop there. Industrial corridors like the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor are offering ready-to-use infrastructure to attract investors. Apple's decision to assemble iPhones in India is a testament to the country's growing logistical and supply chain capabilities. The U.S. business shift towards India. Now, how much of the U.S.-China trade is expected to shift to India? Experts estimate that by 2030, 10 to 15% of this trade volume could be redirected, focusing on industries like electronics, textiles, and pharmaceuticals. Giants like Dell, Cisco, and Samsung are already expanding their operations in India. And thanks to schemes like the Production-Linked Incentive, PLI, sectors such as automotive and renewable energy are seeing a surge in investments. Just imagine, Indian rupee 2 lakh crore worth of investment commitments are flowing in, creating a robust manufacturing ecosystem that can rival the best in the world. Competition in the China+1 race. But India isn't the only player. Countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand are vying for a piece of the pie. Vietnam, for instance, attracted over $30 billion in FDI in 2022, especially in electronics. It boasts favorable trade agreements and low labor costs. Meanwhile, Indonesia leverages its rich natural resources, and Thailand has an established automotive and electronics industry. However, India's unique blend of a massive domestic market, skilled labor force, and proactive reforms sets it apart. Challenges on the horizon. Of course, challenges remain. Bureaucratic red tape, infrastructure bottlenecks, and labor market rigidity could slow down progress. But the good news is that India is actively addressing these issues. By streamlining approval processes, reforming labor laws, and scaling up investments in logistics hubs, the country is paving the way for a brighter future. India is also pushing for more free trade agreements to boost export competitiveness. Recently, we've seen an uptick in FTAs with key markets in Europe and North America, enhancing India's global reach. Will foreign investors return to India's stock market? One crucial question looms. Will foreign investors return to India's stock market? The answer seems promising. India's structural reforms, growing consumer base, and efforts to improve its ease of doing business make it an attractive destination for long-term investments. While short-term volatility may deter some, the bigger picture suggests a resilient and dynamic market poised for growth. A positive outlook. The China+1 strategy isn't just a buzzword. It's a lifeline for businesses seeking resilience in their supply chains. And India, with its demographic dividend and policy initiatives, is emerging as a beacon of hope. By addressing challenges head-on, India has the potential to capture significant market share, driving innovation and growth across sectors. So, what does this mean for you? Whether you're an entrepreneur, a policymaker, or just someone curious about the global economy, this story of India's rise is a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and adaptability. As India steps up to the global stage, it's not just about competing, it's about leading. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts on this fascinating transformation. Let's keep the conversation going.